Prepositions for daily use. The book is on the table. She is sitting under the tree. The sheep jumped over the fence. He is standing in front of the door. The keys are inside the drawer. We walked through the park. The girl is hiding behind the curtain. The car is parked next to the building. She put the gift between the two chairs. The phone is in my bag. He is going to school. They arrived at the airport on time. She was born on Monday. We went by bus to the city. The plane flew above the clouds. The river flows under the bridge. The kids are playing outside the house. She placed the vase on the shelf. He stood beside his friend. There is a clock above the bed. We met at the coffee shop. The children are running around the playground. The road goes through the forest. She looked into the mirror. He leaned against the wall. They traveled across the country. The ball rolled beneath the table. The boy ran towards his mother.